Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Pulse, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method. At the very beginning, let's start by holding the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. So let's keep holding both keys, power key and volume up. Release them as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let's choose here the recovery mode and let's wait a few seconds. Let me press volume down again. Alright, there is no need, let's just wait a few seconds. Then our command picture pops up, so now you can start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once, and this is Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose wipe data factory reset, press power key to confirm it, and scroll down again to choose yes, delete all user data, press power button again. That's it, the phone is sweeping data, the device is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings, and as soon as Android system recovery pops up, let's press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. You have to wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Alright, so the welcome panel just pops up. Now you can start easily activate your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.